Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be changing some affirmation cards into useful coasters. So let's get into it. First, I went through the deck to see which cards I wanted to turn into coasters. I settled on these 8 because they resonated with me. The next thing I did was get my cork base out, and I doubled up on the corks so they would be thick and wouldn't curl. First, I attached the 2 cork together, and then I attached the cards to the cork. After that happened, I trimmed up the edges, and once I went through all of them, I was able to then put a coat of dishwasher safe Mod Podge on the surface of the cards. And there you have it. Some one-of-a-kind Oracle deck, affirmation deck coasters for you to use on your altar, in your living space, or in your workspace. Until next time, stay safe, stay magical, and as always, have the day that you deserve. Toodles for now.